What's up, guys? In today's quick video, we're going to be showcasing our all new trading systems along with our new website and rebrand. So be sure to like, subscribe. Let's get right in. All right, so this is our brand new website, QuantVue.io. We recently rebranded from AlgoBuddy to QuantVue as we continue to grow the brand and business overall and really cater towards more advanced and institutional level traders. So same old stuff up here. If you need to manage your account, obviously my account tab, trading journal, this will lead to our Ultimate Traders Hub Notion template, Discord access here, some other resources. So just so you're all aware, this is our new website. Moving on to the new systems, the exciting stuff that came along with this new QuantVue rebrand. This is also our new QuantVue profile on TradingView. All links in the Discord and on this YouTube channel will or should have been switched over to the official QuantVue ones. Be aware, we'll never DM you. If you get anything sketchy, always confirm it in the official links or just reach out to us on Discord to confirm. A lot of unfortunate actors will take advantage of things like this. And, there's really nothing we can do to prevent that. So just be safe. This is the set of systems that we launched with the rebrand of AlgoBuddy to now officially moving forward QuantVue. When you sign up for our membership, you're going to see these three new indicators, the QuantVue Q Scalper, the Moneyball Q, and the QuantVue Q Zone. You're still going to get access to the smart money concepts that was in the AlgoBuddy toolkit, the alerts and overlays. This was Premium 2.0. We just renamed it. The momentum oscillators and the AI bot, just renamed with some slight modifications to the code. But the new updates are these Q zone systems here. We did make changes to our subscriptions and the types of plans that we offer to various members. And those are the basic, the premium, or the professional level tiers. With the basic, this is going to include everything that was in the AlgoBuddy toolkit. You're going to get those premium alerts. You're going to get the price action indicator, the AI bot. You're still going to get access to the members only Discords, lifetime updates, and of course 24/7 support. This middle tier, this is our premium level, and you're going to get everything in basic, plus you're going to get access to all of the new Q indicators, the Q Scalper, the Q Trend, Q Zone, and you're also going to get specific in-depth video trainings for how to use these indicators, how to find good setups. That way you can really maximize the potential of this new software. So on that middle tier, that's where you'll unlock this Q Scalper and this Q Zone. Now our professional level tier, this is our top tier. This is where you're going to get the absolute most value out of the QuantVue memberships. You're going to get everything in the basic and premium. Plus, you're also going to get our brand new revolutionary Moneyball trading system. You're also going to get complete video course walkthroughs. You're going to get access to an entire YouTube playlist, step-by-step videos. I believe there's almost 5 hours worth of content you're going to get. And this is really focused for those looking to get funded, whether you're trading for a prop firm, trying to pass your challenges. You're also going to get some training on that. Our lead developer, Chris, he's going to be able to provide weekly setups, things to look out for. And overall, this professional level package is going to be geared towards those most serious traders that are looking to get funded or work with some institutions. We have institutional level traders as well. We have institutional level clients. If you are a fund or you're looking for an enterprise level membership, be sure to email us at hello@quantvue.io. That way we can get you squared away on more of our enterprise solutions. So you can sign up for these. We kept the free trial. You can try all of our software free for 7 days. These are the yearly prices. If you choose yearly, you'll get 40% off. Plus, you're going to get 3 months free on every single one of these plans, which is really cool. And then obviously we have our monthly packages. Prices haven't changed there on the basic level. The basic is pretty much AlgoBuddy. Everything that was included on AlgoBuddy, that's what's going to be in this basic level. And then the new Q systems are going to be the premium and professional level memberships. So here's a quick sneak peek of some of the new systems. We have the Q Zone here on the NASDAQ 100. This is the Moneyball indicator right here. Once again, if you want access to those Q indicators, you're going to have to sign up for the premium or professional level membership tiers. Once you do that, you're also going to get emailed all of these videos. You're going to get emailed this private link to the course modules. For those that do sign up for the professional level membership tier, not only are you going to get those video courses, those weekly trade setups, you're also going to get a custom Discord role and an insider only Discord channel invite. That's going to be exclusive to those that are on the Moneyball tier subscription. So a lot of things changing, a lot of exciting stuff happening here at the QuantVue, formerly AlgoBuddy, now QuantVue team. As we continue to grow, we are growing like crazy. We're adding members to the team. Before we finish the video, if you're not already subscribed to our 100% free Substack, we send these market reports, analysis, anything we're taking a look at in the markets, trade setups, absolutely free, usually about 2 to 3 times every single week. We'll also keep you guys updated on any new community announcements. If you haven't already, be sure to join our Discord. We'll link all of this in the description. If you're wondering where we trade our crypto, we've been using OKX. So the reason we love using OKX is because they seamlessly integrate with our AI bot. So you connect TradingView to 3 commas to OKX, and you're seamlessly able to execute all of your trades with that AI bot. And stay tuned because we're also going to be configuring 3 commas with OKX integration into our premium alert system. If you'd like automatically take those alerts, you can alter your settings and parameters, but some really cool, exciting stuff. So be sure to click our sign up link. They were kind enough to give us a $60,000 sign up bonus for our community. We've been rocking with them for almost a year now, and we have had nothing but good things to say and a great experience with OKX, which is tough to say in certain exchanges with all the FUD going around on these centralized exchanges. OKX has been an awesome experience thus far. So that's all we got for you. Once again, new website, QuantVue.io. AlgoBuddy is now QuantVue. AlgoBuddy is no more. So some exciting stuff coming in the future for everybody, for all of our new members. Be sure to keep an eye out. We'll be dropping YouTube videos. Try to crank up the schedule to 2 to 3 every single week. Those are going to include market reports, trade setups, trade analysis, overview of all of our tools, how to properly use our tools. We'll also link in our latest video on our smart money concepts indicator from our head trader Zoe, who goes over exactly how to find the best setups using our smart money concepts indicator. You'll be able to find that video somewhere in here, wherever the editor places it in. So that's all we got for you. Be sure to like and subscribe this video. We'll see you in the next one.